So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to stream your PS5 on your Discord application. So first, you need to click on the system. So after that, you'll be going to click on the remote play section under the system. And as you can see, there are much options. So you just have to click the enable remote play and make sure it is toggled. And once you're in, you will redirect or you will going to go to any search engine based on your preference and search for this URL. And click the PS Remote Play or even download it. Once it is downloaded, sign in using email address and click next. Then just simply click OK and it is now checking its network for it to pair. After that, you need to go to the Discord application and join a server channel and join on a voice channel as well. Then click the screen share button located at the bottom navigation bar and click on the entire screen tab. Once you click on that, click the share button. And now you are streaming your PS5 from your Discord. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.